My name's Anna Dianda, and I'm going to show you how I use one of my favorite European cheeses, Piave. Today, I will be making a sweet and savory dish. Macarons filled with a Piave mousseline and fig jam for a nice, sweet and savory dessert. I've always been fascinated by where food comes from, and I always look for PDO because it's guaranteed quality and it's made with amore. PDO, Protected Designation of Origin, mark identifies as a product originating in a specific place, region, or country whose quality or characteristics are essentially or exclusively due to a particular geographical environment. Piave is the most famous of the cheeses from the Belluno area. Created by the local master cheesemakers, it is still today produced in the traditional manner and made with milk from the Dolomites from a autochthonous breed. Piave has a sweet, penetrating flavor that intensifies as it matures. The rind is soft and light in color in the fresco form, becomes thicker and harder as the cheese ages, and is hard with color, tending to ochre in the Vecchio Selezione Oro and Vecchio Riserva forms. I like Piave because it can be used in sweet and savory foods. Today, I paired my Piave macarons with fig jam to create a delicious dessert.